guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So this video is again for all you teenagers out there who had asked me to do a party look. Ever since I've done like a teenage everyday look, y'all wanted me to do a party look. So this is going to be really simple. The products are going to be affordable. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. So firstly, I'm going to start with moisturizing my face, and for that I'll be using this Johnson's Baby cream. And this is a really good moisturizer, very light. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. Very, very important to moisturize your skin. So once I've done that, I'll be using this primer. It's from Lakme. This is also easily available. I think it's somewhere around 600 to 700 rupees. This is optional, but I would, recommend you to use a primer if you're going out for parties, because this will last your makeup really long. So this is by Lakme. There are a lot of products which are even cheaper than this. Maybe you could try that. So remember guys, primer is only when you're going out, if it's a really important function, an event, and you don't want your makeup to come off easily, then is when you use a primer. So I'm done with applying the primer. Next step is to use a concealer. So this is mostly for people who have dark circles or a lot of acne or acne marks. So this is by Maybelline, and this is for around 525 rupees. So you just apply it under your eyelids and on top of your eyelid. Any place where you have a lot of blemish, like dark spots, I have a few here. Onto your skin. It doesn't need to be perfect now because we'll be applying foundation or like a BB cream on top of this. This makeup is also good if you have your farewell or any event in school or college, or any dance performance or fashion show, whatever it is. So just a little bit of makeup and you're good to go. So I've done that. Now you can either use a foundation or a BB cream. So I'll be using this BB cream from Maybelline. So my shade is 03 Natural. I think they have 3 shades, and one is natural, I think one's beige. I don't know what the third one is. I think it's fair or something. So I'm just going to apply it on my face. So you don't necessarily have to use a brush, you can just use your fingers. Because I have long nails, I'm using a brush. You can also use a beauty blender if you're comfortable with that. Once you've done that, I'm going to start with the eyes now. So now I'm going to start with my eyes, and for this I'll be using this palette by Makeup Revolution. You can also use Maybelline or Miss Claire, whatever is available. So because I'm wearing a nice shimmery goldenish, bronze goldenish top, I will go with this shade. So I'm going to be going with this shade. I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. And now I'm just going to take this darker color and apply it on the outer corners of my eyes. This darker shade is your outer corner. This is completely optional, only if you want to do it, or you can just go on with one shade. So that's it. Now I'm going to start applying a nice eyeliner. So to really make it easy for you guys, you can just get this sketch pen-ish eyeliner. So to make it really simple, all you can do is just get this sketch pen-ish eyeliner. It looks like that, and it's very simple to apply if you are not really used to applying like a gel liner or a liquid liner. So I'm just going to apply this, make a nice thick line. So if you guys want, you can do like a wing liner, but I know it's difficult, so you just draw a line like this. You don't really need to experiment. Y'all can like practice earlier if you want to. I'm going to do the same here. I've applied my eyeliner. Now we will apply mascara. So this is the Maybelline mascara. It's called the Colossal Volume Express. So this also retails between 400 to 500 rupees. About 2 to 3 coats. My lower lash line as well. Be very careful when you're doing this. This takes a lot of practice. I don't want you guys to poke this into your eye. Be very safe. So that's done. Now let's move on to our brows, and for that I will be using this VOV eyebrow kit. You can also use like an eyebrow pencil, which is much easier, but I had this kit and I really like it. So I'm just going to take this shade, green, the middle one, and just apply it. I'm just going to be applying blush. If you guys don't have blush, what you can do is just take your lipstick and dab it on your cheeks and just, rub it really well and look like a blush. But if you have a blush, then you can use a blush. So the blush that I'm be using is from Revlon, and the shade is called Marvelous. It's my favorite blush. I'm going to highlight my face now. For this, you don't need to get all those fancy or expensive highlighters. You can just take your eyeshadow palette and just use like the lightest shade. I think this is a good highlight, so I'm going to be using this as a highlighter. The bridge of my nose, on my cheek, and my brow bone. That's it. So now the last step, obviously I'm going to be applying a lipstick. This is from Miss Claire's. It's called Soft Matte Lipstick, and the shade is 42. And also guys, remember, please apply really nice lip balm before you apply your lipstick. I had applied it long back, like before starting my makeup. So guys, this is my complete look. I am ready to party and I can just rock the party with this amazing makeup look. So do try this and let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please let me know, and also don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.